What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. So no, the title of this video is not clickbait. Just a few days ago, I passed $10,000 in income related to YouTube after starting my channel less than a year ago. So today I thought I would take this opportunity to take you inside of my channel analytics and show you exactly how I was able to earn this decent amount of money with a pretty small YouTube channel. So whether you are trying to grow a YouTube channel, maybe you're thinking about starting one, or maybe you're just curious how I was able to do this, today I'm going to take you inside every single stream of income related to YouTube to show you exactly how I was able to earn $10,000 with just over 2,000 subscribers at the time of recording this, and how you can do the exact same thing. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so right off the bat, I first want to make it very clear that I am not making this video to brag by any means, because I think we can all agree that $10,000 is great, and I am so excited about that milestone. But there are people who are making that amount of money every single day here on this platform, which is absolutely crazy. But I can assure you that to achieve any amount of success here on YouTube, it does take an immense amount of hard work. So I hope that this video serves as a motivator for you to start your own YouTube channel, or if anything is interesting to you and gives you something to think about when it comes to diversifying your streams of income. So I could drag this out all the way to the end of the video to show you screen recordings of exactly how much I've made from each source of income, but I really appreciate you being here and don't want to waste any of your time, so let's get right into the good stuff. So the first and most common way that people make money here on YouTube is by using what's called Google Adsense, and basically that's just when you run ads on your videos and you get a small piece of that payment of what the advertiser is willing to pay to put their ad on your piece of content. Now, I am not an expert on YouTube CPMs or analytics, and that is not the purpose of this video, but I think it is important to talk about a little bit just to show you exactly how I've been able to earn $10,000 and how you can do the exact same thing. So let's jump into my YouTube analytics and take a look at exactly how much I have earned from running ads on these videos. So for some quick context, in order to get paid for the ads on your videos, you have to be part of what's called the YouTube Partner Program, which requires you to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. And then once you apply and you're accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, you can start running ads on your videos and making money from that as well. And it took me about 8 months of consistent hard work for no pay before getting accepted into the YouTube Partner Program on September 30th of this year, which was a little less than 2 months ago. So as you can see right here, in the past 28 days, I have earned right around $1,200 from Google AdSense, and that is after YouTube takes their cut, so that is money that is going in my pocket, although I will have to pay taxes on that at the end of the year. And as you can see over here on the right-hand side, that is with roughly 2,300 subscribers and just over 3,000 views in the past 48 hours, which means I'm getting a little bit over 1,500 views each and every day. Now, some of you might think that that's a lot, and some of you might think that that is absolutely nothing, and you're right. And if you know anything about how earning money on YouTube works, then you're probably scratching your head on how I'm able to earn over $1,000 per month with just 1,500 views each day. Well, honestly, it comes down to one very important metric, and that is called my CPM, which stands for cost per mille, and this number is basically a representation of how much money your channel earns per 1,000 views. So this CPM can vary drastically depending on a number of different factors, with the most important being the topic that you are talking about. Typically, prank videos are at the bottom of the list, earning somewhere between $1 to $3 per 1,000 views, and it works its way all the way up to the top of the list, which is finance and real estate, which can earn upwards of $20 to $30 per 1,000 views or more, with very specific niches like dropshipping or Amazon FBA pulling as high as $60 or more per 1,000 views, which is absolutely insane. So to rip the band-aid and show you exactly how I'm able to make over $1,000 per month, it's because my CPM across my entire channel is right around $40. Now, truthfully, when I first got into the YouTube Partner Program about 2 months ago, I was estimating that my CPM would be somewhere around $10 to $15, and I would have been so excited if it was over $40. So when I saw my first day of revenue come in that showed me that my CPM was $43 on my first day, I was absolutely blown away and knew that I was extremely fortunate to have such a high CPM because of the topics that I cover here on the channel. So if we change the time frame to lifetime, then you can see that I have earned just over $2,000 from Google AdSense since being accepted into the YouTube Partner Program just over 7 weeks ago. Okay, so before I explain where the other $8,000 of income came from, I do want to point out that I posted my first video on February 3rd of 2020, and as you can see from this chart, I was posting videos fairly consistently for months and months before finally meeting the requirements for the YouTube Partner Program. So if you do have a YouTube channel or you're thinking about starting one, please do not get discouraged because it is most likely going to take a lot of time, and you just need to be patient and focus on putting out the best videos possible that offer true value to the person watching your video. But if we click on the views tab, you can see that as long as you are focused on putting out quality content over a consistent long period of time, then you will eventually see that exponential growth. You just have to be patient. All right, so I know you were all wondering, where in the world did the other $8,000 of income come from? Because $2,000 from Google AdSense is great, but that is a far cry from the $10,000 that I said I have earned from YouTube. Well, as you might know, Google AdSense is just one of many streams of income that are options for YouTubers. And while I was able to make $2,000 in less than 2 months with Google AdSense, way before I was even eligible to get monetized, I was able to rake in over $8,000 from what's called affiliate marketing. Now, you can take entire classes on this, but in a nutshell, this is when I find a product or brand that I believe in and see a lot of value in, and I decide to share that product with you, and if you decide to purchase that product, or in my case, sign up for that service, I get a small piece of that action. And that's a fantastic way for you to make some money on the side while you are striving to meet the requirements for the YouTube Partner Program. So, as some of you may have noticed, down in the description of every single video are various links to different financial tools that I have personally used for a long time and I think could add a lot of value to your life as well. So before I show you these numbers, I want to make it crystal clear that every single link you see down in the description is a product or service that I have used for a long time myself and simply wanted to share that product or service with you. And in most cases, this involves you getting some free money as well just for opening that account. So honestly, it's a win-win for both of us. So about 95% of my affiliate marketing income has come from one company that I talk about a lot here on the channel, not because their affiliate program is fantastic, but because I truly believe in their service, and that would be SoFi. Now again, I have been a member with SoFi for a long time, and I had this YouTube channel for months before I even realized that they had an affiliate program. Also, pretty much every bank that I have ever talked about here on the channel, and there have been a lot, offer some kind of affiliate program. So the reason that I talk about SoFi so much is not because their affiliate program is better than anyone else, but because I truly believe that that is the best platform, and I want to share that with you. All right, so there's no grandiose way to show you this, but I'll put a screenshot up on the screen to show you. I have currently earned $7,650 from SoFi referrals. Some of you might be thinking, holy cow, that is insane, and I would agree with you because honestly, that number is hard for me to wrap my head around, but the reason that number is so high is because the review that I did on the SoFi Money platform all the way back in June just happens to be the highest viewed video on my channel at the moment, with nearly 10,000 views, which for me is a lot. And after doing a few other reviews on the SoFi Invest, SoFi Borrow platforms, and also doing the various bank tournaments, a lot of you have decided to give this bank a shot. And that's awesome because one, you get free money for doing that, but also I want to thank you because you single-handedly have allowed me to reinvest that affiliate marketing money back into the channel so that I can produce higher quality videos for you. So between my Google AdSense and my SoFi referrals, I have earned just under $10,000, and after tallying up the various other affiliate programs that I use, like Amazon Associates and Chime referrals and a few others as well, that pushes me over the $10,000 mark since starting this YouTube channel less than a year ago. Now, the great thing about YouTube is once you buy the equipment, it's a pretty high profit stream of income because there's really no other expenses. But I do want to say thank you to every single person who has ever used one of those affiliate links down in the description, because seriously, you have single-handedly helped me to improve the quality of these videos. My first several videos were shot on my iPhone in my college dorm room with a cheap ring light that I found on Amazon, but here we are less than a year later, and I've been able to reinvest that referral money back into the channel in better cameras, better lenses, better lighting, real microphones, and even software and educational courses that have allowed me to produce higher quality content for you. Now, with that in mind, I am just getting started, and I'm actually in the process of designing a completely new studio that should be ready by 2021. So if you do enjoy these videos and you want to continue to help me improve the quality of the content, then honestly, it would just mean a lot to me if you would subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share this with someone who you think would enjoy my content as well. So again, whether you are currently growing a YouTube channel, or you're just starting your YouTube channel, or maybe you're just a curious individual, I hope that this video gave you a snapshot of exactly how I was able to earn $10,000 as a small YouTube channel and how you can do the exact same thing. And again, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I am so grateful for this financial milestone, but I'm also really grateful for the opportunity to share some of my experiences and knowledge with all of you, and also hear from you down in the comment section about your financial journey as well. So let me know down in the comment section what topics you are covering or thinking about covering on your own YouTube channel, or what other streams of income you are using to rake in some extra cash on the side. Again, thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate it. And remember to subscribe, hit the like button, all of that good stuff for more quality content like this in the future. And as always, take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.